are there to guide us. We know that you are there for us. So we are very much blessed to have you amongst us.
Feast day to you. Happy feast day to you, dear sister.
We, the Sisters of Holy Family Congregation, was started in 1914, Thrissur in the district of Kerala. And our mother founders, Saint Maria Theresia, is known as the patron of families. We started our province in 2009 in Ropet. We have almost 90 sisters in our province, and we work in different dioceses like Jalandhar, Shimla, Chandigarh diocese, Delhi, and in Kerala. We are engaged in various apostolate like education, family apostolate, platform ministry, taking care of the street children, giving premarital courses, and giving counseling for the various people. Sister Sarita was born in Kerala, Alappi, one of the district of Kerala, and she joined the congregation in 1985. She has professed in 1991 as a religious sister. She worked in various places like Jharkhand, Punjab, Kerala, and Bihar. She started her designation as a teacher, and also she worked as a principal in various schools. She was one of the council member in the provincial team of our province. We have many provinces all over the world, and Divyodaya named as a province in Punjab, and we have started this province in Ropet. Of course, we start our day with the prayer, meditation, and the Holy Eucharist. Thereafter, we move to the school, and the whole day we are engaged in the teaching ministry. Thereafter, in the evening, we move to the families, listening them, praying for them, and conducting prayer meetings. And in the evening, we come together again for the prayer. Thereafter, we have the dinner together, and we do recreate every day.
I'm Nisha, and I have been working in this institute since 2017. I'm the present secretary over here, and since I have also studied in the convent school, so it makes me feel like a second home. It makes me feel like that I'm at a place where I would be safe and secure. It's just because of sisters over there, those who work selflessly for each and every person who is the part of the institute, without expecting anything in return over there. Just work like a candle over there, which burns itself to spread the light around it. And similarly, Sister Sarita also is a great person to work with. I can say she's like just a beacon of light, which always guides me to the right path over there.
You are there to guide us. We know that you are there for us. So we are very much blessed to have you amongst us.
You are giving me the opportunity to guide you.
Yes.
I can say about Sister Sarita that she is a very good principal. At outer layer, she might be seen strict person over there, but beneath that very strict person, there is a caring person who cares for everyone and wishes nothing but bright future for all of us. She's of a habit, sometimes I can recall many incidents. She has been like a beacon of light for me. She has always guided me in the right path. Even if sometimes she will be strict sometimes, I can say that she used to call me that I will catch you, Disha. and that things make me feel happy also, as well as same time it reminds me of the responsibilities that which I have to play. So she's a perfect blend, I can say. She's a perfect blend of strictness as well as the love and the care.
I have been teaching in this school since 2010 as an English teacher. During this time period, I worked with many directors and principals. I have gained a lot of experience from them, especially the virtues of unity, cooperation, respect, and responsibility. Last year, I was selected for the post of secretary by the school management. And during that period, what I experienced when I worked with Principal Sister Sarita Skaria, that she is really an experienced principal. She always motivated the teachers and students, and if she finds any mistakes, then she used to correct it, but not by passing an order, but just like as mother does for her children. She takes care of all teachers and students just like one family.
I have a very good experience with Sister Sarita, as she always gives me a feeling like I am a child of her. I have almost about 3-year work experience in this institution. It is very important for me to being a part of convent school. I have spent lots of time with Sister Sarita as being a last year staff secretary.
Thank you. Thank you.
May God bless you with a lot of love,
Yes, lots of stuff.
happiness,
Thank you so
success,
Help.
so that you can cooperate with us.
She supported me whenever I have done any mistake, and she always guides me like I am a daughter of her. She gives me a lot of memories during the trip time, like McLeodganj trip, Manali trip. We enjoyed and we clicked so many photographs when she was wearing traditional dress of Himachal. And moreover, she gives me always experience like she is a mother of mine. And she always asks, usually she asks me one question, that when is your marriage, Komal? And simply I am giving the same answer, that sister, date is not fixed yet, and she gives me a very cute smile afterward. It is very good experience for me as being the part of this family, a convent family, a convent school.
I have been studying in this institute since 13 years. I can assure that there is no good school without a good principal. A principal has a major role in a school's success, as she plays an important role in shaping every student's life. She is my role model, and I have learned how to tackle all the stepping stones of success from the way she manages the school. I would like to express a sincere gratitude to our Reverend Sister Sarita for being such an inspiring leader and for motivating us to touch skies through our hard work.
She is a really principal. I mean that she has certain kinds of principles in her life. She has been working here as a principal since 2018. We know that who is a principal and what are the duties of principal. I can say that she is excellent in her duties, in her responsibilities, and she is doing her duty with 100% of dedication.
I can recall an incident when we went for the Goa trip over there. All were enjoying over there as we were on trip. It was a good mood over there. All were relaxing over there. But she was the person only over there who was also feeling responsible for everyone. I can recall that when we were going to the Ogda Fort over there, I forgot my sunglasses on the bus. I was not at all having any idea where those glasses were. Even once she came and asked me, where are your sunglasses? And I thought it is in my bag itself. So at that moment she told me that I have forgot it over in the bus itself, and she returned me those. We were all in the chill mode, we can say, we were relaxing, but she was the one who was caring of all of us over there. She would ask us that whether we have taken food or not, every single thing. She was just like a mother. We can say that beneath the image of a strict principal, there lies a caring person who wishes for everyone a great success and a better future. So I would say that she is a perfect person. She is just like a person who is strict also, as well as loving and caring also, who wish only better for other people.
I'm happy to speak about Sister Sarita. She joined our congregation in 1985 and she professed as a religious sister. She worked in various places like Bihar, Jharkhand, Punjab and Kerala. And presently she is working in Punjab and in Kotali. She is very much interested in visiting the families, taking care of the poor and supporting them in various ways. And also she is very much interested in teaching the students, helping them, and she used her full energy for the upliftment of the students and the poor people.
So I would like to wish all the success and happiness and health for her in entire life.
On this special occasion, I really thank you, dear Sister Sarita, for your hard work, for your commitment to the school, to the diocese. And really, we are appreciating you, we are thanking you, and we are praying for you. May God bless you.